What's up, guys? I am in the middle of nowhere of Arizona, about 20 minutes outside of the Grand Canyon, and I just pulled over at just kind of this random spot. It's not really marked or anything. There's a random picnic table over there, but absolutely breathtaking spot. It's pretty insane how far down this goes. If I can flip this camera around. Oh, I can't. All right. Well, it's crazy how far down that goes. Absolutely nuts. So, it's easy to say that I'm having a great time so far. Really enjoying being back on the road. I stopped in Phoenix for maybe 3 hours to have lunch with some business partners. So that was really good. I hope the wind is not killing you guys. As you can also see, it's just completely flat, which I don't get. Completely level and flat all around. So yeah, I'm just like jazzed. This is my why. This is why I love doing what I'm doing. This is why I work so hard for moments like this where I just get to completely adventure, tune out for kind of a day. Even though I had that business meeting, it's just been great driving, having some headspace to think about my next goals. But yeah, I'll keep this short because I'm sure the wind is killing you guys, but super happy to be here and excited to be at the Grand Canyon in like 20 minutes. I'm gonna try and catch it before the sun goes all the way down. All right, guys, I'll catch up with you soon.
I'm here though, I may be a weirdo, but this is my year, yo. My life may be crazy, my lack of the lazy has let me do shit that I love on the daily.